You shouldn't get any ideas, eh? Maybe we ought to kiss just to break the tension.
Hey, what's going on here?
Nothing.
I don't think that Bullabye dolls ought to be here. And, by the way, what do you think you're doing with thanks? Leavings?
No need to worry, Jenny. We'll just have to find out.
What's this silo for?
It's for clearing up the poison while doing work at night.
It doesn't make sense if the item sitting on this is blue.
Listen closely, Jenny. Now, I know it's easy for your mind to wander. We can't escape the feeling about the crisis your mom warned you about. You gotta dump the silo quickly.
All right. I'll be careful.
Are you sure you want to get this done in order to get something?
It's alright, Vega. I'm gonna do it myself.
Jenny, you gotta get over here. The Crust cousins are having a costume party tonight.
Oh my gosh. A costume party. Look around. I know I want to go to Brit and Tiff's costume party, but I gotta do something fast first.
Well then, I'll see you once you get on time.
Isn't it nutritious?
What you doing over there, you silly little fella? Taking a nap?
We can be sleeping. Are you going home?
I don't wanna go home.